In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export SVG in Figma. Exporting your designs from Figma in the SVG format is incredibly useful, especially when you need high-quality, scalable graphics for web development, icons, or any other use case where resolution independence is key. SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics, ensures your images look crisp and clear on any screen size or resolution without pixelation. Let's walk through the simple steps to achieve this efficiently. Our first step is to carefully select the specific design element you wish to export. In Figma, this often means selecting a frame. A frame acts like a container for your design elements, allowing you to group related assets together. You can select a frame directly on your canvas by clicking on it. Alternatively, if your design is complex, you might find it easier to navigate to the Layers panel on the left side of your Figma interface. Here, you can precisely locate and select the desired frame from the hierarchical list. It's crucial to ensure that you have selected the correct frame or element, as only the selected item will be processed for export. If you select an individual icon or a text block, only that specific item will be exported. However, selecting a frame that contains multiple elements means everything within that frame will be bundled into your SVG export. Take a moment to verify your selection before moving on to ensure you get exactly what you intend. Once your frame or design element is properly selected, we can proceed to the export settings. You'll find the export section located in the right-hand sidebar of your Figma interface. If you don't immediately see it, you might need to scroll down a bit. Within this section, you'll see a plus icon labeled Export. Click on this to reveal the export format options. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that usually defaults to PNG. Click on this drop-down and select SVG from the list of available formats. Now, before you click the Final Export button, take a moment to consider some of the SVG-specific settings that Figma offers, as these can be quite important depending on your use case. For instance, you might see options like Include ID attributes, which can be helpful for web developers who need to target specific elements with CSS or JavaScript. Outline text is another crucial setting. If your SVG contains text and the recipient might not have the specific font you used, outlining the text converts it into shapes, ensuring it appears exactly as designed. Similarly, Simplify Strokes can help reduce file size by optimizing vector paths, and Preserve Figma Properties attempts to maintain some of Figma's unique rendering attributes in the exported SVG. While these are often good to leave at their defaults for general use, understanding their purpose can save you headaches down the line. With your desired format set to SVG and any necessary export settings adjusted, simply click the Export button, which is usually located at the very bottom of the export section.